Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can combine your photos or videos even on CapCut PC to make a collage. So I'm just going to add these randomly, and you're just going to have to add them like on top of each other and just layer them like so. I'm just like adding these like videos and photos, well it's mostly photos so far, to the, well, on top of each other like so to create a collage. Like that. I'm just going to add, what else, this on top, and I'm just going to put that here, and then I'm going to add this on top of that. Okay, media not found apparently. Okay, this, I'm gonna add that here because why not. Let's add that over here. Just kind of add them. Okay, so for instance, you think you've reached your overlay limit. I don't think they have that now, but for instance, you want to add more and you don't have space and you can add more, just select everything first, right click, create compound clip, and it's going to be merged into one layer. And then you can start adding even more layers to it if you'd like to. Like that. And then, I don't know what else, but you can add more. And yeah, that is it. Super simple in my opinion. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!